conference. What do you think has been key to your team's success so far?
Yun nga, right now, nag-start pa lang talaga yung chemistry with the team, especially with we have a new import, Kadim Jack. But still, we're hoping that itong dalawang game na panalo namin, ito yung magbigay sa amin ng boost going to this conference. Because we have a lot of things to do pa, especially yung defense namin, defensive skill namin. Yun yung kailangan pa namin i-improve. At the same time, maganda yung chemistry namin itong dalawang game because I think the assist department, medyo na nagkaroon kami ng magandang assist sa stats namin sa game na to.
Coach, Kadim led the team first half pa lang with a double-double performance, but your locals also contributed as well tonight. What is it about Kadim's game that really complements the strengths of your locals, especially the Commissioner's Cup, and what can you say about the team's dynamic at the moment?
Kadim is a positive player for us because he brings energy and aggressiveness to the team. And he, as an import, nakita namin yung pagiging leader niya talaga. Kaya nahihila niya yung mga players namin, mga local players. And most especially, siyempre, yung leadership ng local namin with Arvin na kahit pa paano nagmamature na sa mga game namin. And yun, nadadala nila lahat yung nadadala nila yung team. Kaya yung spirit ng mga off-the-bench players namin, especially the second group, talaga andun yung ginaganahan nila sila pagdating ng game.
Thank you so much, Coach. Arvin, a triple-double performance tonight. This is their second career triple-double, and it was also against the Firma. How do you manage the mental side of the game, especially in moments where the team is relying on you to make those big plays?
Just trying to make the right plays. I have to make sure also to not force things, di ba? Kasi yun nga yung tinatry namin gawin as a team, to distribute the ball, to make sure everyone's involved. And like right now, naka 10 assists ako. I have to give credits also to my teammates kasi sila yung shoot and also they're getting themselves open. And just needed to give them the ball out.
Alright. We spoke earlier, Arvin, and you said that it's about setting a good example and leading by example, especially being one of the veterans. Being one of the leaders of this team, how do you motivate your teammates in every single game and to win such big games like this?
Just trying to be positive always, especially for us, a young team, very, very young team. And just make sure to set an example, be an example. And I think that's it. Wala namang ibang secret sa pagiging leader. Just be an example, and make sure everyone's involved. Make sure everyone's motivated, walang may iwan. And every single practice, that's what I'm trying to do. Be an example. Make sure get extra work, extra shots, or whatever it is you have to do to take care of yourself, take care of your body, and also motivate them. Just try to be positive. I always tell them just play your game. You know how to play basketball the right way. Just matter of being confident sa loob ng court. Yun, nagre-respond naman yung mga teammates ko, positive na.
We now open the floor for more questions from our friends from the press.
So far, so good si Kadim Jack. Ano bang meron sa kanya na maybe wala rin sa mga basketballs? Joyce?
Siguro syempre, number one is mas matangkad si Kadim. At the same time, yun nga, yung kagaya na sabi ko kanina is yung energy and aggressiveness niya. not only on the game but in practice talaga andun yung binibigay niya lahat eh. That's why the local guys are kumbaga inspired in playing with him. At saka yung leadership factor ni Kadim is mas vocal, mas maganda para sa team. And is also one of our spiritual leader because ano siya more on a Christian very religious person.
Parang may ginagawa pa siya na sa ano ba yung routine niya?
Okay, yung he lead us in our prayers. Kasi talaga maganda yung mga sinasabi niya during our prayers as a Christian person. So, yun pa lang is respetado siya ng mga